saya.
Good morning guys! How's everyone doing? Yes guys, nakikita nyo naman wala tayo sa kwarto ngayon because right now I'm on a holiday in one of a popular beach destination here in England. I'm currently in Cornwall right now. If you're gonna compare it to the Philippines, Cornwall is like the Boracay of England. It is one of their best summer destinations during hot season. So, join me guys as we explore this beautiful city. And right now guys, I'm already checked in sa hotel ko. Actually, nakapag-prepare na ako. Yesterday, dumating ako ng hapon. And then I was settled in the hotel. The name of the hotel is Queen's Hotel. And it's beautiful guys. It's actually a solo room. Let me give you a quick tour. So that's the hallway, or that's the door, the entrance. So you have a table here, mirror, and you have a big window here, and upuan of course. Right now hindi maganda yung view, it's just the parking lot. But it's alright kasi hindi naman tayo magstay dito for long. I'll just be staying here for 3 days, 2 nights actually. And then this is the bed. It's pretty decent naman. Medyo malaki siya for a single bed actually. And you have your wardrobe there. And what's good is that it has its own toilet and bath. So that's it. Medyo marami ng clutter dyan. Because of course, natulog na ako in. So right now, join me guys as we explore the city, the beaches, and what Cornwall can offer. So right now guys, nakapag-prepare na ako. And I forgot to tell you, the hotel where I'm at, may free breakfast siya. So, yan. I'm on the second floor, 17, and to. This is the entrance. Look at the sea view, guys. That is the entrance. Actually, hindi yung entrance. And then, ito yung reception. Let's go and have our breakfast. So I already ordered my breakfast guys, and right now I just have pancakes. Apparently hindi buffet breakfast yung in-expect ko, but the view is stunning. This is the view guys while having your breakfast. Pancake is this one. This is the selection. Thank you. This is the breakfast selection. You have pancakes, egg benedicts, egg royale, and that's it. It's not buffet, but pretty decent naman yung kanilang selection. And to partner, I have pressed coffee for my pancake. So we are on our first destination here in Cornwall, and it is the St. Michael Mount. It's actually a castle on the sea. Paano ba? Sa gitna ng dagat siya. And right now, it's not low tide. The good thing about this castle, if it's low tide, you can just walk from the beach area up to the castle. That is the castle, guys. And going there right now, since it's high tide, we have to ride on a boat. Boat ride is £3.50. And let's go. Later, if it's low tide, let's see if we can walk about this island. Morning.
Hello.
So this is our service going to the island. Come on. It costs £3.50, and for the entrance on the island. Morning.
How we doing?
We've already reached the island, guys. Yes, it's an island. As I've said, nasa gitna siya, napapaligiran siya ng dagat. And this is the castle. Ayan yung mga boat na sinakyan. The ride is too fast, like 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes lang siya. And malinaw yung water, guys. Hindi lang mabigyan ng hustisya ng weather right now. If you wanted to know more about this St. Michael Mount, they have this barge house. Inside, you'll find information about the area.
Das war ausgeschildert für ein paar Stunden weiter.
So this is the area, guys. Later, if it's low tide, we can walk here, going to the starting point later. So this is the view dun sa entry ground. And right now, napaaga ko. It's currently 9:50 and the opening time to enter the castle is 10. So we'll just roam around here, the area, since it's not open yet. But appreciate that, guys. That is the beach area. That's Marazion Beach. And this is the island. Castle is up there. Later, I'm gonna show you the castle. I forgot to tell you guys, visiting here, it has an entrance. Going to this island has an entrance. You have two options. It's either just go to the garden, because below the castle, yung castle kasi nasa up top pa. Pero below it is the garden. You can opt for that. That would cost around 16 or 13 to 16 pounds. And for the castle, it is 16 to 19 pounds. So take note of that. You can book the tickets online, or you can just buy it when you're already here. That's what I did kasi hindi ako nakapag-book. Hindi ko alam na may entrance, but it's nice here. I'm just walking doon sa grounds right now, and on this island there are cafes, toilets, and everything, plus the castle and the garden. I cannot show you the garden right now, and hindi masyadong maganda yung weather. Oh my god, makulimlim kasi, but it's nice. The water is clear, clearest among the beaches I saw here in England. So this is the area. Ayan, may mga ganyan siya. So here, they're gonna give you this map. We are now going to the castle. There's an ice cream shop here. This is the way going to the castle. Now let's go up. If you are wondering how's the stairs going up, it's not flat stairs. It's like this. It's like bits of stones na inayos lang nila to make it as a stair. So sometimes it's steep and delicado. Oh, there are wood stairs din pala. You know what, guys? If you wanted to challenge yourself, dun pa lang sa starting point, nagbibigay sila ng like bond paper na scratch it. And the goal is to find everything what's on that paper and scratch it. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Hinihingal na ako. And I think we're near. And after like 10 minutes lang naman, this is the castle. Ayan siya. Oh my god. Whew. Oh, it's nice. So this is the castle, guys, St. Michael Mount, and look at the view from this area. Oh my god, the blue waters, guys. Look at that, the beach area. Hindi lang masyadong maaraw ngayon, but I can bet napakaganda ng water. See? So this is the inside of the castle. Ito. These are the different swords, I guess. We have guns here. Ito pa. I don't know what this is. Ito siya mabasa. I thought there's something there. So inside the castle there are remains, other things that has been used sa castle. Medyo maliit lang siya. Ayan.
It's always not appropriate. It's inappropriate.
Look at this silverware, guys, from this castle. So we were able to find an exit from inside the castle. This is one of the rooftop. Ayan. This is the castle. Try natin umakyat pa din later. This is beautiful. I think that is the garden, but right now it's currently closed. Remember what I told you guys, that you can walk the pathway going here if it's low tide, and this is what I mean. That is the pathway you can walk if you wanted to go to the main island. But right now it's still high tide, so we cannot do that. But later the guide told me that 11:30 or 11:30 it's gonna be low tide, so we can walk there later. We're still here inside the castle exploring it, and the view is viewing. As I've told you guys, aside from riding a boat going to St. Michael Mount, you can also use the pathway. This is the pathway, guys. I'm already ready. Natanggal ko na yung aking shoe, and right now we're going to walk on this path because tama yung sinabi ng guide, 11:30 it's gonna be low tide, so we can walk. So this is the entrance if you're gonna walk in there. So let's walk. Oh my god. At yung side it's rocky, but on this area naman yung lakaran hindi siya ganun ka-rocky. But di siyang lakarin. Let's go! Look at this, guys. This is what I'm saying. Right now, it's low tide and ang lamig. Kabababa lang ng water. We are walking to the other side. Yan. And ayun yung castle sa likod ko. See? The water is freezing. My God. But it's a nice experience. Look at how clear the water was. See? Ooh. So we've already finished visiting Marazion, where the St. Michael Mount is located, the castle, on an island. And right now, we are riding on a bus going to St. Ives. St. Ives is another town here in Cornwall, and I'd love to visit Corbis Bay. That is where we're going to dig in the beach. Doon tayo maliligo. And maybe tomorrow I'll be visiting another town here in Cornwall. I'll show you that tomorrow. But right now, let's explore St. Ives. Later, we're gonna have a better or great view of like side ng dagat, seashore, during our bus ride. Right now, I'm in front of the bus. Good thing medyo umaraw ulit. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. So from the main road, guys, you have to walk a public footpath down to the coastal area. And actually, muntik pa akong maligaw. Good thing may kasalubong lang ako, and they said that I'll just have to follow this footpath so that we'll reach the bay area, Corbis Bay. Alright guys, we've made it to the beach. Welcome to Corbis Bay. Look at that water. Oh my God. Buti na lang umaraw. See? We've made it to the beach, guys, and it's beautiful in here. Ang ganda ng water. Blue-blue talaga siya. Oh my God. Look at that. See? Look at the view. There you go. And the good thing is, it's free. It's public. You can go here anytime you want. Right now, buti na lang umaraw kasi kanina nakita nyo naman, my God, ang gloomy. And right now, it's sunny. So, I can't wait to go to the beach. Let's go. Let's try to swim on their beach. Ang lamig, puta. My gosh, my things. Woo! Malinaw siya. Look at that. My God. Woo! Oh! Ayun, may path dun. Ayun, may daanan. But it's so nice. Ang nakasabay doon? So we're still here guys sa Carbis Bay and may nakita kong parang kuweba. Ito siya. This one. And then pwedeng pumasok doon. Ooh, look at how clear the water. Ooh. Alright, our next destination is a bit of a failure because I've planned to visit Minack Theater. It is basically a theater on the cliff, guys. On the cliff, can you imagine that? But my mistake is that I did not pre-book online because based on what I've read on the article online, I can just walk in. But sadly right now it's Monday, it's fully booked, so they're not allowing walked-in visitors. So I'm afraid I cannot show you that beautiful theater on a cliffside. But what I'll be doing is that this area, Port Corno, is very beautiful. Like there are cliffs here that I can show you. And I hope later meron ditong area na makita natin yung glimpse ng what do you call this? Minack Theater. I'm just using the public footpath para lakaran to. But the area, Port Corno, is beautiful. Later maybe I'll visit the Ped-en Beach to stay there. Let's just enjoy the area. So we've reached one of the cliff dito sa Port Corno, guys, and as I've told you, hindi natin napasok yung Minack Theater kasi for reservations lang siya for those who bought their tickets online as early reservation. But I know it's a fail, sayang, kasi it's literally a theater on the cliffside. But on this cliff where we are currently at, kita natin yung theater. Ayun siya, guys. Ayan, imagine that is the theater. Then there will be a program later. I think it's Shakespeare. Ayun yung ipapalabas nila. And then kita yung cliffside. My God, look at the water. It's emerald, it's blue. Partida. Hindi pa maaraw, pero ang ganda niya na. But I think it's fine. Kahit di natin nakita yung theater, but still beautiful here though. Later we'll go to one of the beaches here. I'm still here guys, but look at this. I'm on the other side of the cliff. Just to see this one. Super ganda. My god. Wait, let me show you this beach. Oh my god. Beautiful. Gosh, ang ganda. Oh, look at that. Just so you know guys, if you wanted to visit here in Port Corno, you have to be ready. Wear comfy shoes and a proper swimming attire because there will be a lot of hiking. I came from there and walk over the footpath. Don't worry, hindi naman kayo maliligaw. Pero we're going there to that beach. See, may mga footpath naman na. So you just have to follow those footpaths and you'll be good. Let's go. It's a bit deadly. Konting mali mo lang, papunta ka na kay Lord. Kung kay Lord ka pupunta. See, ayan yung pababa. Let's see muna. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Woo. See this cliff. Guys, I've made it here. That's the beach. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god, what an experience. We've made it guys. This beach is literally empty. Oh my god, look at that. This is a dream guys. It seems like narentahan natin yung buong beach. Ang saya. Puta. We're done in here, guys. Beautiful, relaxing. Look at that view. You can't have that every day. Up to our next destination. Hike again. Oh my god. This one is a little bit different, guys, because there is a little sandbar there. Konti lang talaga yung tao. Found this map in here. Dito tayo naligo kanina. Coast path to Port Guara. Yung konti lang yung tao dyan. And then ito yung Minac Theater na hindi tayo nakapasok. At yung Port Corno, yung maraming tao. We also saw this Parcela Point, the Logan Rock. Then this one, we saw that. Hanggang dito tayo sa Penberth Cove. Pero hindi tayo dyan bumaba. So that's Port Corno.